All right, I got another project. So this time it's an LR4. This is 2015. Here's some pictures of it at the salvage auction. Got it on a U-Haul trailer. And then this is the picture of it home when I first pulled up when it's home. All right, so got it off the trailer. Pretty loud over there. Sorry. Next project, LR4. So this thing's got 92,000 miles. Engine's good, no airbags. Local car, no, because it had some paperwork in it. We're gonna get it all fixed up. All right, so end of day one, working on the LR4 project. We've got a now radiator support. I've put on a temporary hood from a salvage yard, so that's just temporary. It's just so I can actually close the hood and lock the car. So I think that'll help on the battery because it's saying battery is running low, and I can't imagine that would be the only reason. Anyway, because I haven't had anything on. Filled up the washer, so you can see got a little bit of a leak there from coolant, so we're gonna find out what that's all about. Might have to replace the radiator. But good day. We got radiator support in, so it's looking like a car. So need to source some lights, need to source a bumper, and start plugging everything in. This radiator's from a D3, LR3, and I think one of the issues may be the horns might have a different electrical connection. So I have to figure that one out. Well, finally got brave enough to test the check engine lights on the air conditioner, and it does work, so that's a good thing. Okay, so start diagnosing what's wrong with this thing. I think we have a small leak right here. Getting a small leak. I thought it was on the left passenger side, but I think it might be on the right side. Very small, but we'll have to figure that out, if it's a radiator or not. So we'll start investigating.